Welcome to Edu-Mindscapes. Today I am going to discuss with you a newspaper report within 100 words on a boat capsize. An unbelievable accident took place in the bank of Ganga River. It was around 5:30 p.m. and the sky was dark. The boat was near the bank. Suddenly, a high wind blew. There were 28 passengers. All the passengers tried to leave the boat quickly, so the boat overturned within a minute. Quickly, local people rescued the passengers immediately, but two little children and women lost underwater. The river police reached at the spot. They arrested the boatman for carrying more passengers at a time. Government announced 50,000 rupees for dead family members. Investigation is going on to find the missing passengers by a staff reporter.